Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert BTC to USDT on MEXC. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application and then you need to simply log in into your account. Now, if you don't have a verified account on MEXC, I would highly recommend you to create your account now with the link that is given in the description, because this way you will increase your chances of getting 8,000 USDT as a sign-up bonus. Now, once you are in your MEXC account, simply tap on the more option on the home page and then tap on convert. Then you will be landed on this conversion page where by default USDT in the from section. So you need to simply tap on this arrow option so that USDT could come in the to section. Then tap on the from option or this drop down menu under the from section, and you need to simply search for BTC. Now over here you will see WBTC, which is wrapped BTC. I guess they haven't provided the option of BTC here. So if you have BTC in wrapped version, you can select that and you can do your conversion. If you don't want to do it this way, then you need to come back on this page again and then tap on the trade option in the bottom. So what this will do is it will redirect you on this trade option. And over here you need to select the pair of BTC/USDT. So you need to simply use the search bar in the top and search for BTC/USDT pair. Now you need to select the sell option and you need to sell your BTC quantity, and you are going to get USDT in return. So in this selling method you need to pay some fees, but for conversion you don't need to pay the fees. But currently BTC is not available for conversion, so in order to do the conversion you will have to only use this method. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.